Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. I don't know if you've ever heard the term about pad slapping, but I'm going to tell you what pad slapping is right after this. My profession is a term called pad slapping, and what that means is you're just going to slap a new set of brake pads over an old set of rusty rotors. It's not really a good idea. You're not saving really any money because basically the brake rotor is not going to last the length of the new brake pads typically. So let me show you what I'm talking about right here, okay? All right. So this right here is a brand new brake rotor and a brand new brake pad. See how the surfaces are both equally smooth? Okay, and then you look over here, here's the old rotor that I'm replacing, and you can see with the brake pad how a groove has been worn in it from the old brake rotor. Now you wouldn't want to take this nice brand new brake pad and place it over this brake rotor, would you? If you did that, what it would do is wear grooves into this brake pad. It's overall a poor brake job. But I always recommend replacing the rotors over trying to machine them. Machining this would be actually not a good idea because that ventilated portion of the brake rotor is in here and it actually rusts from the inside to the outward portion. So anyway, you try to save yourself a few bucks. Don't do it that way. Buy quality brake parts. They are what stops your vehicle. It's very important. So I hope this video has helped you. Until next time, drive safely and like and subscribe while you're at it. Take care.